Hi everyone, here's Abdul and hope everyone is doing fine today. Today we have another unboxing. I'm trying new stuff with my unboxings. This time I actually got a watch from a new shop I never tried before called Cactus 24. It had a really nice prices, so that's why I was thinking about why not to try it out. I'll even rate the unboxing. So the box from outside, as you can see, is damaged a bit. So I'll give it maybe it's not open. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Let's see if we open it and something inside is damaged, then we can have a lower rating. Anyways, I actually got this video after watching the time teller video about this watch. And yeah, I just didn't find the exact reference number he got. So I did the next best thing. I bought the cheapest same version of this watch, so here we get a 10%. So if you're gonna buy from them, maybe use my code, which is this one, this 10%, and I won't gonna use it, TYKEN10. This is not sponsored, but anyways, I paid 100% for the watch. I paid 45 euros for the watch and 6 euros for the shipping. Oh, really nice packaging material. Always like these material because it does preserve anything inside. So I will actually yeah, and as you can see here, a bit of damage to the box. So even though it was it was packaged with these things, it still was damaged. So definitely I will bring the box outside to a 5. So I made a paper like this. Tell me if you like this kind of rating for the unboxing. I'm trying to make new fresh ideas about unboxing instead of making only the traditional unboxing. Okay, let's get to the main event, the box itself. So here we see the box. The inside box is damaged here. Other than that, looks pretty good. Here we can see the reference number SGW100-1V EU version. Has the caliber BAL 2-3. No, don't think that was the caliber. Sorry guys. Let's see if we can see the caliber inside. So we have here partitions. We have the catalog, because there is a lot of options, but you know me, I'll explore this first, and if I need help I'll read the catalog. So here we go. Again, packaging inside is quite good. The box itself, the inside box itself, I will give it a 7.5 out of 10. And the packaging I would actually give maybe, yeah, 8 out of 10, because it was really good. And extras, get a 1 point for the 10% that they put in the box. And here you can see it has a directional sensor, temperature sensor, and it's 200 meters water resistant. So let's open this box up. Really cool. I like the stand. I would actually use the stand for my watch that I put on my nightstand. So it would be a nightstand watch. And here we go. Let's put this to the side. Put the bags inside the box. And the first one. Oop, oop. By the way, I'm wearing my other Casio, and I'm put here the other Casio, which I will adjust the time on this one. Oh, it does actually it's a switch. Yeah, here we go. So we have the wrong date, the wrong time, but that's no worry. Let's just first focus on the watch, and maybe in the I'll make another video regarding adjusting it and yeah, giving my first impressions on the watch. But let's first look and the watches. Everything looks good, sounds good. We have the temperature gauge. I think it's the compass, That's the compass. So that's definitely have to look around. And as you can see, temperature in the room is 16.2 degrees. Unlike my house cool temperature, I don't like to have it very warm. Calibrate, please. So it's calibrating. I think you have to move it around. I have no idea. That's why I want to make a separate video adjusting it, because it has a lot of stuff. But let me show it to you on my wrist. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and I actually like this more than the version that Time Teller showed, because it had the canvas strap, and I know from experience the canvas strap from Casio's tend to be very long, so it will go out here, and I hate it when it flaps. But the plastic strap is quite okay, I have to say. And as you can see, it's calibrating still on my wrist. So let's take first the measurements, and maybe after that I'll wait until it calibrates, and then I'll make the adjustment and video for the complications and everything else. So let's 0. So it has a 44.9, I think it's a 45 diameter, a thickness of 12.5, let's say 12.6. Lug to lug distance is actually very small, 45 also. So that's why when I wear it on my wrist, it has actually a kind of integrated bracelet, as you can see. Not integrated bracelet, of course, but integrated lug. I don't know how to call this. Yeah, it's a lug joint that joins the watch with the bracelet, as you can see. And I think it's a normal spring bar pin inside, but this metal, I think, just ensures that it doesn't go out in these situations. It's 200 meters water resistance. It's made in China, as you can see the reference number 3157. 5 alarms, world time, and it's calibrating now again. So I think we'll end it here, and we'll use this time to set it up, and then we'll make another video of setting up the watch. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and of course invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And of course subscribe button will be here, and maybe you would be interested in one of these videos. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.